How's it going, guys? This is Lysol here. Just showing you how close I am to finishing my first PC build. Well, it's certainly like an update video. For the keyboard, I have a Razer Death Stalker Expert. I can't really show you if it has backlighting right now. I don't have any USB ports except my laptop, but I'm pretty lazy right now. For storage, I have a 64 gig SATA 3 King Spec SSD. There you go. You can see it better still. For terms of hard drive, I have a 500 gig 7200 RPM Western Digital hard drive. I have two 120 millimeter fans for the case. The case is not here yet, it's coming tomorrow. And a 775 watt power supply, trying to make the camera focus. There you go. It has pretty much all of the basic connectors, mainly for gaming and any other stuff. I also have any Molex to 6 to 8 pin connectors, but that's somewhere else. For the motherboard, I am rocking an Asus M5A7 8L LX Plus from Asus. And the processor I'm running on this one is a AMD FX 4100. I got that with the motherboard and a stock cooler for around $72. I thought it was a good idea at the time, so don't blame my decisions. In terms of cooling, I have the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo with a white LED 120 millimeter fan. Another one I unboxed that like a while ago. In terms of RAM, I'm running two 8 gig 1600 megahertz DIMM memory. Don't quote me on my words. Just showing you guys the thing on it. Yeah, 8 gig DDR3 DIMM memory from PNY. Okay. That should about do it for the motherboard. For the graphics card, I'm trying to get a GTX 970 G1 Gaming and possibly a Corsair Carbide 100R 8 mid-tower ATX case. That should be about it for now. Thanks for watching, guys.